Okay, flowers, we're going to hop right into it. These are the first hand that I do. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with a nail file of some sort that I got from one of my Kiss, and I just buffed out my nails. Now I'm going to start using my Kiss nail glue, and I'm just going to start laying down each nail on my nail. Yeah. So I'm doing 2 coffin nails and then 3 stilettos on each hand. So I just cut off the coffin and now I am filing down the stiletto nails. I didn't really cut those down as much because I wanted these nails to be nice and long. And like I always do, I'm just going over the end of the tip so that it's nice and buffed out and it lays seamlessly underneath the gel. So this is my base gel and I'm going to cover it. Yeah, I got new base gel and everything, y'all, because I ordered a new kit. So the kit we are using today is a Macart, and I'm using the color red. I got the rainbow kit from Amazon, which I will link down below in the description box. It comes with, I believe, 6 colors, all colors of the rainbow. So yeah, that is what I'm using today. And I must say I am really, really impressed with how well it goes on and how easy it was to work with. I was afraid that because it was color, it wouldn't look as great, but I actually really do love it. So Macart is really like my thing. Like, it's my go-to for right now. And it's affordable. Okay, so after I put that first layer, I'm going to go ahead and start doing the second layer. I'm just going to show you my last pinky. I do 2 layers. I put it in and I cure each layer for 2 minutes each. So I'm going to go in with the 3 stiletto nails, which is my thumb, my middle, and my pinky. And I'm going to put another third, this is the 3rd layer, over my nail. And I'm not going to cure it just yet. So that's what you see me doing. Now, when you're doing this, you want to take your time. One thing I always love about polygel is that it does not set until you cure it. It is able to be moved around until it's in that light and it's cured. And that's one thing I love about it. So after I am done putting all of the gel on the nail, my 3rd layer, I'm going to grab some red glitter and I'm just going to tap it lightly with the nail brush over my nail. And the reason why I didn't cure it is because I want that stickiness that's in the gel. I want it to stick. Kind of like when I do like the encapsulated nails. I don't know if you saw that video. I will link that up above. I did my encapsulated nails and I did that one and I waited to put the flowers in it on the stickiness so that it would stay. So that's what I'm doing right now. You just want to pat that in. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and cure it. Took that out, and now I'm going to go do the last 2 nails, which is the 2 coffin nails. So we're going to go ahead and put our 3rd layer on those 2. As you can see, voila magic, okay. I must say I'm so good now, guys, at doing my nails. Okay, so I'm doing something totally weird. I know you see me picking it up with my finger. I dipped my finger in one of the little places where you see me, like when I was wiping the brush off. I dipped my pointer finger in that, rubbed it a little bit so my finger is sticky. So all I'm doing is just putting my finger on top of each pearl and just laying it down, and it sticks onto the polygel. I don't have a nail picker and I always forget to order one, so that is why I'm doing it this way. I would suggest you order a nail picker. So after that, I'm going to take the top coat and I'm just going to coat literally the nails, like top it off, literally. Pause. So that is what I'm doing now. Then I'm going to go ahead and cure it. And that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you achieve these beautiful holiday-esque nails. I really love how these came out. This is my first time doing a mixed shape. This was a suggestion from Tia, but I love it. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to join that flower gang. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.